What's up everybody, Robin Phillips here with the Robin Group in Charleston, South Carolina. And I am filming this in January and it is 60 degrees outside, which is, yeah, maybe the number one reason everyone needs to be living in Charleston. So today we're talking about open houses. See, less than 1% of all houses sell at an open house. So the question is, should you even be doing open houses? Stick around and we'll find out. So the quick answer is yes, absolutely yes, you should be doing open houses, but it's not for the reason that you think. So selling a house for top dollar is all about demand. The more eyeballs that are on the house, the more people that see it online, the faster it is going to sell. So when you have an open house and it is posted on Zillow and Redfin, those portals will prioritize your listing. It'll put it at the top. And what does that mean? More people see it. And what happens when more people see it? They click that heart, they click the links, and it then gets reprioritized, right? Because you have more people viewing the home. We know that most buyers that are looking on Zillow are at least 6 months out. So is this your right now buyer? Heck no. But your right now buyer is more likely to see that home when it is at the top of all of the searches. So another way to get more eyeballs on your house is to be able to promote the house in different ways. So of course, when the house is new to the market, we always do a now available post, right? Not just listed, right? It is now available, super special home, unbelievable opportunity, get it while it lasts kind of thing, right? But having an open house also means that you have another reason to put out those social posts, another reason to email the local real estate agents, and it is another opportunity for you to get on social media and use multiple mediums, right? So for all of my open houses, the first thing we do is a Facebook Live, right? You get here and you're just like, wow, isn't this amazing? Everybody come join us. And we all know that Facebook will prioritize lives, right? Then it will automatically cut it up into reels. So then you can post your reels, then you can create an event. So you can see how just one thing, one open house, all of a sudden is multiple things that you can be doing on social media as well, right? And the more things happening online, the more people are seeing it, the more people are seeing it, the more demand. So the last thing I want to share with you, to me, was just mind-blowing. So I have sold 2 houses at open houses, and the first time the buyer walked in and their agent would not show them the house. They said it did not fit their criteria, and so their buyer's agent said, not really worth going to see. So that was a little weird. And the second one was because the buyer's agent was unavailable. So you never know who's going to walk in the door of an open house, but certainly holding open houses increases demand. It increases the price in which you're going to get for the house because more demand, a higher price. So I would say absolutely your real estate agent should be holding open houses to help you get the most money. If you have any questions about real estate, the market in general, you know where to find me, and I'll see you on my next video.